In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Apple Pay in your Stripe account. Whether you're looking to make checkout faster for your customers or want to offer more convenient payment options, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your web browser and head over to stripe.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button. You'll usually find it at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your email address and password linked to your Stripe account. If you're using a public computer, make sure not to save your login credentials for security reasons. After entering your details, click Sign In to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Stripe dashboard, where you can view and manage all aspects of your account. From here, locate and click on the settings icon. It's usually represented by a gear or cog symbol. This section allows you to customize and manage your account configurations to best suit your business needs. Within the Settings menu, scroll down to the section labeled Product Settings, then click on Payments. This will take you to the page where you can manage all your available payment methods. Under the Payment Methods section, you'll see a list of supported options such as credit cards, debit cards, and other alternative methods. Look for the option labeled Apple Pay. To enable it, simply toggle the switch to On. Once activated, Apple Pay will be added as one of your available payment options in Stripe. This allows customers using Apple devices to make fast, secure, and contactless payments on your website or app. To make the process smoother, ensure that your business domain is verified in Stripe and that your website uses HTTPS, a secure connection. These are required by Apple to process payments safely and help prevent any issues during checkout. Once everything is set, your Stripe account will now be ready to accept Apple Pay payments. Customers using iPhone, iPad, or Mac will see the Apple Pay button during checkout, making their experience quicker and more convenient. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully turned on Apple Pay in Stripe, giving your customers a fast and secure way to complete their purchases. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.